Next spring, we'll be offering a new course called Financial Services Innovation. And that is intentionally kind of a broad-natured term, right? So while there's certainly going to be dimensions of FinTech, which is appropriate for today's discussion, we're not just FinTech-centric in that course. We're really pretty much talking about any way in which we're changing the environment for consumers or thinking about new ways of doing things. And so here we're trying to help our students think about problem identification in the market and solution development. So we want to have a graduate that looks like this one in the middle, where they're flexible, well-rounded consumer finance experts who are part of the solution when we think about market problems. And so there's necessary components here that I'll highlight for you. We need to have good institutional knowledge. We've got to understand the current operations. In order to make any change at all, you have to understand where you're starting. We also have to understand technology, because I just think right now that's where a lot's happening. And if we ignore that component, we're ignoring a huge facet. We need to be adept at understanding macro trends and macroeconomic factors going on that influence everything. And then the best thing I could come up with to show how much of a mess people are is this drawing my child did. So here's the messy personal part, right? Just the working with people, this frustrating sometimes, but also really engaging part of helping people master problems. And every problem is different, and every person approaches the problem in a different way. And so at the center of all this is developing people with empathy, right? People that can look at another person's problems, feel that other person's emotions, and relate to it, and then turn around and say, let's make a solution. So the true intention is to help someone improve their lives, and it's an empathic connection that comes from understanding all of these various factors in the market.